making keto white sandwich bread that only has 1 carb per slice. So there's been a lot of iterations of keto cloud bread over the years. It started off with just egg whites and it has morphed and transformed into something else. Now we're adding cottage cheese to the mix. People are always tweaking this recipe and we found one today that's a more recent version that we definitely want to try because it looks light and airy, but it also looks like it has a really great structure to it because a lot of cloud breads, they can seem kind of like styrofoam. The recipe is by Sugar Free Mom. We're going to be leaving her website linked in the description below. This updated recipe is like the 4th iteration that they have made of cloud bread on their website. And so you're gonna be needing things like whey protein powder that's unflavored, egg protein powder, eggs, cream of tartar. A lot of times Sarah and I like to try these without spices, but I think that I want to try some spices in here to go in a savory route. You could always add allulose to this too if you want to go for like a French toast route. And cottage cheese. Typically we like to blend our cottage cheese like when we're making our cottage cheese chips or even other cloud bread that we've made, just because we don't want like cheese pull typically, but we've decided to just kind of go with it and test it with our non-blended cottage cheese.
Like the recipe calls for.
Right. And before we jump back into the recipe, we wanted to talk about something that Sarah and I have been using for the past 6 months, Blueland. So we have 3 boy dogs between us, and they are constantly licking plates, cups, and even the floor. They are getting into everything. So having a higher standard of clean has become really important to both of us. And that is why we both recently switched to Blueland. Their products are made to meet the highest parental and environmental standards. They are 100% plastic free and made with certified clean ingredients, safe to use around everybody in the family. And honestly, we love not having to choose between the safe, clean option for our families and what actually gets our house clean. We love the dishwasher tablets. They come in pre-dosed compostable packaging. They're super effective, even on tough messes. And everything is sourced from ingredients free of ammonia, chlorine bleach, and VOCs. Plus, they're certified by groups like EPA Safer Choice and EWG Verified. If you want to try Blueland for yourself, you can click the link in our description or scan this QR code with your phone and you're going to get 15% off your first kit. Thanks so much to Blueland for sponsoring this video.
Are you ready?
No. So the first step is going to be to separate our egg whites from our egg yolks, and we're going to be using both the egg whites and the egg yolk. Nothing goes to waste. So at this point, we're going to start whipping our egg whites. You can use vinegar for this, but we're going to be using cream of tartar, which is the other optional thing that you could use.
Who needs a stand mixer?
So I'll see you in about 10 minutes. So here's where it kind of gets, not weird, but
dicey.
Different. The rest of all of the ingredients are gonna be mixed in with the egg yolks, which is new. And that's a lot of ingredients to go in here, so. Okay, we're gonna mix in our other ingredients. Cottage cheese.
Looks chunky.
Yeah, I kind of wish that we would have blended it. Salt. Onion powder, garlic powder. Baking powder, egg white protein powder, and whey protein powder. It's like a ball. I expected more of a liquidy consistency here.
All that protein powder is going to absorb, so it makes sense. I think it's fine.
Wow, Sarah's an optimist today.
Well, it is what it is. This is what the recipe called for, so.
Okay, we're gonna add this slowly into that.
Okay, now start folding. I think it's like on the spoon anyway, so just keep, yeah.
Whee!
Oh, okay, that's why I said just start folding.
Okay.
Because you're spilling on the side and stuff.
We preheated our oven to 300 degrees and we have lined our pan. This is a 9x5 pan with parchment paper. And we're just gonna continue adding all of this in here until it's combined. This is actually going okay.
Okay, start loading her in.
You know how people do those like sourdough designs?
It's in the shape of a rabbit.
What?
There's a new rabbit trend,
No,
sourdough rabbit.
Okay, so this is gonna go in the oven for 50 minutes, which is a really long time.
Be something. Be something.
It's been cooking for 50 minutes at 300 degrees. It says to turn off the oven and then leave it in there for 10 more minutes. Don't open the door. Now, how are we not gonna know what it looks like? So I guess we have to wait 10 more minutes and then we're gonna unveil it. It looks like a popcorn.
That looks like a brain or cauliflower.
So we're going to put this on a cutting board and we're gonna start slicing it. We're actually just gonna go for a plain old deli sandwich. A little roast beef, some Gouda, maybe some lettuce. Do we have lettuce? I should be able to, in theory, to just lift it out of the thing. Okay, no.
Oh, that's a very interesting top, I will say. We can eat a piece. Oh, there's a hole.
Come on. Why is it looking like that? Ah! It's like an emoji of a guy dancing or something. Look at it. The top has kind of a flaky top. I don't know how to describe that. A flaky, kind of crumbly texture at the top, which kind of reminds me of like a really kind of flaky bread, crusty bread at the top, which is not normal for a egg white protein bread. You know, we have a weird shape. I mean, I don't know why that happened. We're gonna try it by itself first.
Definitely more bread-like. I would say
it's good. The most bread tasting cloud bread we've tried, for sure. And you know what? That little bit of garlic and that little bit of onion, it really does help
the savory aspect of it.
Yes, it does. I really like it.
Same.
But will it work as a sandwich? I can already see how this might work really well as a French toast.
I wonder if it would absorb the same way.
Yeah.
Because we've tried it with bread before and they don't like absorb the flavors, but...
Wow.
It has different textures going on. You have the crispy crust, and the inside is kind of like softer, like a white bread. Yeah, I'm super satisfied with this bread so far.
Wow. It tastes like Wonder Bread. It's like got like a really soft texture. Wow.
Wow. I'm super curious to see how it toasts up. I wonder if we should toast it up. So I wonder if it would turn like a brown like the outside, which is, it's pretty, it has that crust on it like a white bread does. Yeah, I think the first one we ever tried, it was even just like even hard to chew and swallow because it was so dry that it was like, it just felt like it was like closing your throat or something. This definitely doesn't do that. But it still has like a softness.
Like Wonder Bread. It is really good.
Now if we only get to perfect the shape.
I wonder if you guys have any ideas as to why we get like that thing in the middle, the divot. We need to take pictures of this stuff, you know, and then I start slicing it and it's like...
It collapsed a little bit. Maybe we should have let it cool completely. I don't know. I wonder if you can make like buns with it.
There is a variation on there about making buns.
Really?
Like hamburger buns?
Yeah. Maybe it's just like our bread pan or something. It doesn't like, I don't know. But if it was like in a circle and you let it cool all the way, then you can just like cut it in half and then use it for hamburgers and whatnot.
Well, you guys can tell how much we like it. It is really good. And we didn't even need to toast it.
Right.
A lot of other breads, you should probably be toasting them. But with this, it's like, it just tastes like white bread.
Anyway, YouTube seems to think you're going to like this video, so why don't you click on it and see if they're right. Anyway, I'm Sarah.
I'm Emily.
And we are the Keto Twins.
Signing out.
Signing out.
I have to do my food.
That's alright. They get it. They've heard the ending before.